Hello viewers, thank you very much for joining with me. This is my new video on Google Classroom and how to use the Google Classroom. It is very important for us right now. So in Google Classroom I am starting from the stream. See here here is four tab. So stream, classwork, people, grids. What is a stream? If you want to give something here, like you want to announce in something or you want to give some materials here, you can give from here. So here is a Google Drive link, file, YouTube video link, whatever you want to give, you can give from here. And classwork, you want to give the classwork to the students, so you can give the classwork from here. So now I'm going to show you how to make a form, Google form, to make a very interactive class exam. Then you can find the automatically grading system and numbers and everything from the Google form. So now you have to go to the create option. Here is you will get now you are getting some important things like assignment, quiz assignment, questions, material, reuse post, something like that. Now first you have to go to the quiz option to create a form. See here is actually using a blank quiz. So no need to do some titles or something like that. You just go to the blank quiz. So first of all, you have to set the quiz sections. So how? First go to the, see here is the mark, setting marks. Go to there and collect email address. Limit one response. Why one response? Because every students have opportunity to take lot of options, like they are giving one time and they are thinking that, oh, I'll give another one. Okay, I'm responding. So you are limiting the response of the students. So limiting the response, he or she can respond only one time. Okay, next, presentation. This is actually how they will look inside of these quiz sections. Okay, so quizzes, it is automatically whatever it is makes, because you selected the quiz option. So you have to open and this one, make this quiz, and whatever it is by default, just leave it. Okay, so important thing, collect email address. You have to trace you can trace afterwards. Presentation, shuffle the questions. Why? Because question will be changed regularly. If you are giving it a question number will be changed in that time. So now quizzes, everything, if it is done, then save it. Okay, now we are going to make a question paper. So first question, if you are making a form like this. What is your name? What is your name? This is a demo class, that's why I'm giving something like that. And here is the options. Is it a multiple choice? See here, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid. You can give date and time. So we are going for multiple choice. I want to give some multiple choice like that, like name Brian. Okay, just enter the button and write the another name like Rohim, like this. So next you can add up to enter many things. Okay, so like Adams. Okay, so this is a 3 option already created. Now one thing here, if you hovering the here, you see there is a picture adding system here, and also in the question you can add the picture. adding picture, if you want to give the adding the pictures. Okay, so what is your name? If you want to add picture, just click on this one, you want to browse it, you want to give any kind of pictures here to attach with this. In this case, you can give the picture, so I'm just going to the my desktop if there is any picture or not. Let's see there is any picture or not. No other pictures. Okay, in about the COVID-19, I'm just giving you something in different language. It is whatever it is, just I'm giving the pictures. It is a very big picture. You can put it out like smaller one like this, you can make it small, large, whatever you need. So question is you can change the size, you can change the arrangement like this. If it is center align, right align, you can change from here. You can remove this one, you can add also captions here. Okay, so this is the name. Now important part is answer key. You have to give the answer. See, answer key is here. Click on the answer key again, and what is the marks, what marks you will give the mention here, 1 or 2 marks. So I'm just giving 2 marks here. So here is automatically total marks counted 2 marks. Okay, well, now I'm just giving that his name is Brian, something like that, Brian, and it's okay. It's this form is collecting that right now. It is an answer. So you have to be done, then it's done. So it's takes the answer is Brian, and it's made the form is now ready. So you can add up another form by clicking this add questions. See, add question. Okay, add question, and again you can do one thing. You can copy this whole question, you can copy from here. So duplicate this means you are doing same thing but different way in the next level. So duplicate this, copy this, and you will get the another question choice. So this is a very easy things, and it's done. It's automatically all changes saved in Drive, saved in the Drive. You can change the name also. So I can name this like this, demo quiz. Okay, demo quiz. I'll just change the name demo quiz. Okay, now you can see here is a customized theme, review, and settings already we did. Okay, and customize set themes. You can change the theme, choose an image. You can give the header image. We can give like this. Just I'm for the purpose of this, I'm just clicking this one and insert. So image will be added here. So image is added already here. So now form description, you can give the form description, or blank quiz, you can give the name of your or institution or something like that, or whatever you are doing. Like this, like I'm giving you YouTube channel. See, YouTube channel. Okay, and descriptions, you are giving the description about this. You can give the class name or whatever it is you want to know. If you have the possibilities, then you can give the class names and everything. Now this is a basic thing. Font style you can change only. In font style have limitations, so you can give this kind of font style and this kind of font style, but in the basic it is actually no more options to give more fonts. This is a basic form, and whatever you can use this basic form. Okay, so it is done. So now what happened, it is already saved in your Drive, so no need to do anything. You can send this one, no need to send also. Just quit. Okay, here we just previously assignment, it was remained in our previous tab. So here you will go, how many marks you gave, there that was 2 marks. Okay, so you just close it. Why? Because you are not going to give this one already. Just go to the add button and go to the Google Drive. You will see there already the naming what we gave, the demo quiz. Okay, demo quiz. So demo quiz add up, click that one and add this one. Okay, again I'm showing you, add Google Drive and go to the demo quiz, select this one and add. Okay, now it is add up. Okay, how many marks? 2 marks I gave, class 5, all students selected. Now no due date, no topics. So this is actually different, it depends on you how you will conduct with the students. So you are going to give this one like this, no due date, but you want to give a due date. Okay, so today is 22, so tomorrow, so today is 22. Okay, 22 you are giving the due date, and time you want to give something like that, right now to 32, so you will give the like 3:30 p.m. Okay, you are writing p.m. So now it will submitted 3:30 p.m. due date. No topics, you are giving the topics, create topics, give the create topics and like write demo quiz. Okay, so title will be demo quiz. It depends on you, whatever you are giving the demo quiz or something like instruction. If you want to give the instruction, please submit this form by today, something like that. Okay, so now here is an assignment option. Now is the time to give the assignment to the students. So assignment options, click on this button, and you will see assign, schedule, save draft, discard draft. You can save this draft to send after when you want to give the sending button, and schedule draft, schedule, that means you can give the schedule. So which date you want to give. I am clicking on the schedule. Exactly 2:23 a.m. must be scheduled before due date. Due date before you have to say must be, see here, must be scheduled before due date. Okay, so I'm just giving a show. I want to show how to assign this one. Assign, so it's assigned. Okay, when you are assigning this one, it's automatically going to the student's name. Okay, see stream classwork, you are seeing this one. See, now you will not see anything, just turned in and one assigned, that means one person assigned, one student assigned. Okay, so you are seeing that one person is assigned. Now I am going to the student portions. Okay, so student portions, I am come back and going to the student portions again. So now I want to enter here as a student. See here is loading, and 3:30 p.m. demo quiz already comes out. See, already comes out. Okay, so go there. See, this is a student view, Google Classroom student view. Okay, so student will do one thing, click on here. They're getting the all forms, see here. So they have to provide their email address here, and they are making like this one. They gave any selections, whatever they, and when they will submit this one, they automatically submitting this one, submit, and they can see the view score. They can see, you see here, they can see the score 2 out of 2. So open assignment again. So no need to do this. So now student part is gone. The student done their job. Here is written unsubmit. So students knows that it is submitted. If he wants to unsubmit, he can unsubmit here. Okay, because before due time he gave already, he submitted, he can unsubmit. If he wants to know that somehow he understand that the answer was wrong, he can unsubmit and give the answer again. Okay, now I'm going to the again student panel. See here is automatically updated. It was before that assigned, now it is turned in. So you are just clicking on the turned in. Who turned in? This student. Okay, so now question is how many marks he got, the student? You have no idea. So how will find out that the student is getting what is the marks? So right now you are going to the Google form, click on this. So you are not able to see anything, so you have to go this portion. Here is the edit option. Go to the edit options. See, here is written response 1. That means one student responded. So click on this. You are seeing the summary, average, insights, scores, everything, but this is not our goal. We are going to individual options. Individual. So you are seeing the Gmail account which is responded. That means that students responded. So here is one student. That means you are getting one student responded. So what is the marks? 2 out of 2. 2 out of 2. So now you are confirmed that this student get 2 out of 2. So what you will do? Go to the previous demo quiz sections and see here you can give here. Remember this, here you can give the mark what he got. So you will give the 2 marks and return, and you can give the comments or something like that, and I'm giving good comments. Without comments you can submit, no problem. You can return, no problem. You can return this one, no problem. Okay, so it's returned. It's already returned. So in class right now you can see the grades. See grades, you are seeing the grade. Demo quiz 2 to the students is getting the number.